You guys cannot begin to understand how happy this makes me. It's magic. Alright, so we taped in this light socket. Why? I don't know. Nothing's broken on it. People are just lazy. Yeah, you put some electrical tape on that, that'll be fine. You. Alright guys, so I got the wiper motor in the frame off. It was working sporadically. The grease is nasty. I'm gonna repack everything, so I cleaned off the face here. Yeah. Heater blower, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, baby, we're going vintage. We got Van Halen. We have a 40-year-old Volkswagen original speaker. Only one, yes, because cars only came with one speaker. We're gonna find out if this all works. Okay, guys, I'll give her some juice. We got power. And I would have to say that speaker is cooked. What is going on? Chill out, bro. Chill. 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 What the hell is going on, man? Oh, she's pissed. Sleep. Oh, yeah, just come on in. Oh, man. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are turds. You know what else scares me? There's a lot of important electrical stuff in there, and I see turds here. Not good. Yeah, we got signals. I got my switch here. Not pretty, but hey, it works. So we got idiot light for the low beam works. The dash lights work. We got the wiper motors, if you can hear them. I don't know if you can hear that. And wow. Wow. Yeah, you know what that's a video of? That's a video of success. Not just two headlights coming out at the same time. That's success.